Providing the door heights match, a sliding door can be converted to a fixed door. First, loosen the door sliders. Next, remove the attachments between the appliance and the furniture door. Remove the appliance from the housing and remove the furniture door. Place the door on a suitable worktop. Remove the old hinges. Seal the holes with plastic plugs that can be bought from a specialist retailer. Remove the power cable from its plastic bracket. Attach a cord to the power cable to make it easier to reposition the cable later on. Reposition the appliance 3/4 of the way into the housing. Clip the infill strip onto the top of the appliance. With 16mm unit walls, attach spacers to the hinges. On the handle side, attach the plastic bracket with depth stop at the top and the attachment bracket at the bottom. Clip the plastic stop onto the attachment bracket. The brackets act as stops to ensure a correct installation depth at the top and bottom of the handle side. Attach the sealing strip to the handle side of the appliance. Push the appliance into the housing up to the stop depth. 4-point installation ensures the device is perfectly positioned. Now attach the steel spring brackets to the refrigerator door. Attach each of the hinges to the housing using 2 screws. If leveling feet are fitted, they can be used to adjust the gap between the top of the appliance and the housing. On the handle side, attach the plastic bracket with depth stop at the top and the attachment bracket with depth stop at the bottom of the surround. Once the attachment brackets have been installed, the stop aids are snapped off and plastic covers attached. Position the door mounting guides, ensuring they are level, paying careful attention to the lower edge of the guides against the furniture door above. Remove the crossbar. Find the center of the door. Position the crossbar with the aid of the mounting guides. Secure it in place with the screws provided. tuck away the mounting guides. Hang the furniture door onto the fittings and secure it loosely. The door can be aligned on all three axes, X, Y, and Z. Tighten both steel spring brackets. Now clip the cover panels into place. Complete the installation by visual inspection and by checking that the door closes properly.